In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft OneNote needs to set itself up before you can send to it error. This issue usually appears when you try to send content to OneNote, but the app hasn't been fully initialized or connected properly on your system. The good news is that this can be resolved with a few simple adjustments. To begin, make sure Microsoft OneNote is properly installed on your computer. Open the application manually from your desktop or Start menu and allow it to fully load. Sometimes, simply launching OneNote once helps complete the setup process in the background. Once OneNote is open, check that you are signed in with your Microsoft account. If you are not signed in, go ahead and log in. This step is important because certain features, including sending content to OneNote, rely on your account being active and synced. After signing in, give the app a moment to sync your notebooks. You can confirm this by looking for any sync indicators within the interface. Ensuring everything is up to date helps prevent communication issues between OneNote and other apps. Next, restart your computer. This may seem simple, but it allows any pending setup processes or background services to complete properly. Once your system turns back on, try sending content to OneNote again to see if the issue has been resolved. If the problem still appears, open your computer's Go to the Apps and Features. Locate Microsoft OneNote in the list of installed applications. If your OneNote is under by the Microsoft 365, just click it. From there, select Modify and look for the Quick Repair feature. Running the repair process can fix any missing or corrupted components without removing your data. After the repair is complete, open OneNote again and make sure it launches without any issues. Allow it to sync once more, then try sending content again. If needed, you can also update OneNote to the latest version. Keeping the app updated ensures that any bugs or compatibility issues are addressed. Check for updates through your system or app store and install any available updates. Once everything is properly set up and updated, the error should no longer appear, and you'll be able to send content to OneNote without any interruptions. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the issue and restored full functionality. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.